Alright, people. In front of you, you have the DOS Soundbox XL and the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus. If the lighting isn't too good, it's because the power is currently out. And I got one flashlight lighting it up just a little bit. Otherwise, I got the windows open, but it's kind of dark out. But we're gonna run through it. We'll be starting off on the Anker. We'll just be playing a few songs. I'll probably play about 30 seconds or so of each song, and play the same 30 seconds as I swap back and forth between them. We'll just start off somewhere around 75% volume. We'll be on the Anker first, and then we'll go up to 100%. We're out here in my living room where it's more echoey, since my bedroom is basically an anechoic chamber at this point. So right here in my living room, so there's more echo. But here we go, starting on the Anker. Yeah, we'll just go to 100%.
What'll it be now, Mr. Mo? Whisper slow, thin curls or smoke. Take a back seat, don't play Pharaoh. Dance with me and shake.
Alright, that's really loud. That was 45 seconds. We'll do the same thing on the DOS at maximum volume.
What'll it be now, Mr. Mo? Whisper slow, thin curls or smoke. Take a back seat, don't play Pharaoh. Dance with me and shake your bone.
Alright, well, so far off the bat, the Anker is slightly louder. It's a bit more detailed at higher volumes due to the designated tweeters and the, I'm sure, better crossover. The DOS, however, with that little 3-inch bass driver that it has in the middle there, and those passive radiators, it has more bass. But because of the full range drivers doing the 2-inch full range drivers are in charge of everything, I'd say like 1,000 hertz and up. Because that bass driver does go up pretty high. Anyway, we'll stay at 100%. We'll stay on the DOS, and then we'll switch over to the Anker. I don't want that song.
You can tell by the way she walks as she smiles. Go. You can tell by the way she talks. She moves her words. You can see in her eyes that no one is so changed. She's my girl, a super. And then she said,
That was 35 seconds. That was pretty loud. That was the same thing on the Anker. You'll be able to hear that the bass is very similar at these higher volumes. It's very similar. Lower volumes, the Anker gets beat slightly, just in bass, but here we go.
you can tell by the way she walks as she smiles. Go. You can tell by the way she talks. She moves her words. You
Next song.
Out that hurt, but just a little bit, not too much, just enough to make me wanna run for it. I'm done being ruled by emotion. Yeah. I'm done being fooled by emotion.
That lower bass note there, keep in mind that.
Too much, yeah. Too much, too much, it's too.
Okay. Keep in mind that lower bass note. Here we go on the DOS, max volume.
Out that hurt, but just a little bit, not too much, just enough to make me wanna run for it. I'm done being ruled by emotion. Yeah. I'm done being fooled by emotion.
Okay, we'll do another song here. Listen to that treble. It's a little congested. Maybe.
Your daddy said isn't going over too well. Don't you know not to kiss and tell? Mother said she's my brother's doctor, and I don't even know who's my father.
Okay, now on the Anker. A bit more detail in the treble. Sounds a little smoother, maybe. Way louder.
I don't care, I'm coming home. What your daddy said isn't going over too well. Don't you know not to kiss and tell? Mother said she's my brother's doctor, and I don't even know who's my father.
Alright, well, this is kind of take 2 of the second clip here. I went too long and it got all choppy, so I got to redo it. That's no problem. I just got to make sure I keep it less than 8 minutes so it doesn't fuck up. So here's the Anker. I moved the table further away. It's about 10 feet or so. I also swapped the speakers because the DOS kept moving. Okay, now I'll do the same thing on the DOS. On the DOS now. Distortion there, very noticeable. stay on the DOS at max volume. Next track. Bit of distortion. A fair bit, actually.
Devil, devil, clever devil, devil. How quickly they do sell their souls for the feast and the promise of gold. But devil, that won't be me. Devil, devil.
55 seconds. We'll go to the same thing here on the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus. Tiny bit of distortion. It could be in the track, actually. Maybe a little less. Yeah, there's a little distortion in the track, I'd assume.
Devil, devil,
It's much louder. Sounds better.
clever devil, devil. How quickly they do sell their souls for the feast and the promise of gold. But devil, that won't be me.
Wow.
Devil, devil,
I don't know how so much bass comes out of it. Very balanced.
bones.
Extremely well balanced. Very impressive. Next track will stay on the Anker.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me.
Both are max
I
volume.
still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side.
Okay, now on the DOS.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side.
The DOS sounds a bit more forced, actually. I mean, it's really trying to pump the bass hard instead of, because the Anker sounds more smooth, more natural. I guess more forced. Yeah, that's about a good description, I'd reckon. What other tracks do I have here? I gotta keep an eye on the time of the recording. We'll do a bass test. We're still in the DOS. This might be the last one. Make sure it doesn't rattle off. it's just walking all over the place. I'm gonna mod the feet on it. It just doesn't weigh enough. Because with the Anker, I can put my finger on the side and push it horizontally, and it doesn't go anywhere. Very solid. All right, we'll do the same 54 seconds here on the Anker. Here we go. Doesn't have that low note. Struggled on that low note a little bit, but I can hear All right. Well, what's my verdict? Well, I only paid $60 shipped from Amazon for the DOS Soundbox XL. But looking at it for a while, I figured I'd just get it. The Anker, in my opinion, is the better buy. At lower volumes, the DOS is more impressive because of the bass, but the Anker just sounds smoother, more natural. The features the Anker has too just really puts it over the top. I would like to get another Anker as well for the true wireless stereo, maybe in a few months. So, anyway, thanks for watching.